Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, Second Surveillance Audit ISO 45001-2018 OHS-MS of Works Area of SAIL RSP commenced, and Nurses Training Institute of Rourkela Steel Plants IGH registers cent % result in Odisha Nurses and Midwifery Board Examination 2021. Now the news in detail. The Second Surveillance Audit ISO 45001-2018 OHS-MS of Works Area of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant commenced on 24th May. Mr. Pankaj Kumar ED Works presided over the opening meeting that was organized on virtual mode. It was joined by Mr. Suman Gupta, the lead auditor, Mr. Mohit Kumar, and Mr. S. Kochar, the co-auditors of Messrs. TUV, the Chief General Managers and Heads of Department of all concerned audited departments. In his opening remark, Mr. Kumar laid emphasis on the importance of safety management system and assured the auditors of the necessary help and support for carrying out the audit for improvement of safety and overall performance of the plant. During the 3 days, the team would be auditing various aspects concerning production and supply of various primary, intermediate, and finished steel products, including support services through remote audit. Some of those aspects are leadership context, documentation, internal audit, MRM, objectives and targets, risks and opportunities, compliance to the last audit findings, procurement procedures, contract monitoring and control of outsourced processes, emergency preparedness and response, communication, participation, consultation, and incident investigation. The department to be audited are New Plate Mill, Calcing Plant 2, Traffic and Raw Material, Lime, Dolomite and Brick Plant, Crane Maintenance, Safety Engineering Department, Sinter Plant 3, Mechanical Shop, Occupational Health and Services Center, Steel Melting Shop 2, Special Plate Plant, Raw Material Handling Plant, Coke Ovens, Coal Chemical Department and Human Resource Department Center. At the outset, Mr. Rajiv Ranjan, CGM-BE, gave the welcome address. The program was coordinated by the Business Excellence team. The Nurses Training Institute of Ispat General Hospital of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has registered cent % pass percentage in the General Nursing and Midwifery Course Examination 2021 conducted by Odisha Nurses and Midwifery Examination Board, Bhubaneswar, for the academic year 2019-20. It is worth mentioning here that the course is of 3 years duration. Priyanka P. Sahu topped the institution, securing 89.06%. The second and the third position holders are Swati Lagna Mohanty and Sangeeta Raul with 87.72% and 87.6% respectively. In all, 59 students had appeared the examination. Out of them, 20 students secured more than 80% and were awarded distinction. 28 students have got first division, obtaining more than 70% marks, and 10 students have secured second division with more than 60% marks. It is worth mentioning here that these final year students of NTI were engaged in COVID nursing duties in IGH as frontline COVID warriors during the first wave of the pandemic. Most of the GNM syllabus was completed by online theory and practical classes by the dedicated faculty of NTI in the last academic session to ensure safety and health of the students at NTI. We bring you excerpts of the interviews of the 3 toppers of the institute.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Priyadarshini Sahu, student of 16th batch of the NTI IGS Rourkela. I have passed out from the ONMB board with the distinction mark, and now I am started my professional career in the Brahmanand Multi-Speciality Hospital, Jamshedpur. Thank you for I am very grateful to RSP channel for giving me this opportunity to share my view about my institution, madams, the standard of education, and how I have managed my study during this pandemic situation. At the period of the 3rd year May 2020 May, the COVID started to spread in all over the world. At that time, we have no idea about the COVID, and all the students are get very panic. Our colleges and hostels were getting closed. All the students are sent to their home. At the time, our faculty members and madams started a session-wise classes about COVID-19 to spread the awareness about COVID-19 and how to take precaution about COVID-19. So it was very helpful for ourselves, also for our community.
Hi, this is Swatilagna Mohanty. I am the 69th batch student of NTI IGS Rourkela. Currently, I do my duties in Apollo Bhubaneswar. And previous year, we did our COVID duty along with our studies. This is only possible by the help of our madams. They help us, encourage us, and inspire us. The whole year of pandemic, they taught us by the regular online classes. And though nursing is a top line, I choose to be a nurse by the support of my parents. And our madams told us to be the frontliners. And that's why I want to thank my parents for their support and my madams for their unconditional love and care. And I want to thank the IGS and the cell, as the IGS staffs helps us in our duty hours and make us practically capable, and the cell help us to expose ourselves in the clinical field. Thank you all.
Everyone, I am Sangeeta Raut. At present, I continuing my experience as junior staff nurse at Brahmananda Narayan Multi-Speciality Hospital, Jamshedpur. I am one of the 69th batch recently passed out ONMEB examination from NTI IGS Rourkela. Thank you RSP News to share my experience. I remember when 3rd year is just started, we all are suffer the pandemic situation. So all are going to our home. Still in this pandemic situation, our madam conducting our online classes that will be daily, and after this class taking feedback to all students, and also conducting our examination, presentation, etc. So I really grateful to have our institution and have our madams.
Notably, the Nurses Training Institute set up by RSP at the Ispat General Hospital in 1963 has produced more than 1,434 trained nurses who are today working successfully in hospitals across the globe, thereby bringing glory to their alma mater. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.